Hello lovely people, so just to let you know that we have been made aware of some people throwing away their devices down at the local tip, and some of you have tried to get rid of your data by removing the hard drive. One of these. Whether it's a laptop, it'll be one like this sort of size. If it's a desktop, it's probably going to be a bigger one. Alright, now the only thing with that is that a lot of more modern devices will have a solid state drive in them. Some devices have a solid state drive and a hard drive, so you have the multiple of the two. And we have been made aware that some devices, the hard drive has clearly been ripped out, but the solid state drive has remained within the device. And that's probably where all your data, or the significant amount of data, is probably saved to. Which means if you're dumping it in a local dump, you're actually just handing away your data. So please, please, please be really cautious with this. Now, to let you know, your solid state drive, if it's so a normal size one, looks very, very similar to the hard drive. All right, it is usually just encased. It feels almost like a giant memory stick almost. The alternative one, though, which is usually plugged on the main board itself, is one like this. It's what they call an M.2. It's a solid state drive, but it's what they call an M.2. It's a chip like this. A small screw will hold it in place up here, and that just unscrew it and then slot it off the board. All right. So obviously you can do that yourself. Remove that from your board before chucking it away. The alternative is you can bring it into us here. We do not charge for this service at all. You can bring it into us here and we'll make sure that your data drives are removed from your device before getting rid of it. Alright, that's a completely free service. We do not charge for that at all. So just bring it into us. We'll remove the storage device for you free of charge. Or obviously we can also sometimes recycle items as well here if necessary. But that, again, that's free. We don't charge for that at all. All right, but please, please, please make sure you remove all of your storage devices, not just necessarily the one. Okay, so please make sure you get rid of this here, because especially right now with data being leaked and stolen and everything left, right and center, the last thing we want is for people to be literally giving away their data. All right, so please be extra vigilant. Hope that's helpful, guys. So like I said, this is your little M.2 solid state drive, usually plugged into the main board itself. Okay, it looks something similar to this. They're not all looking exactly the same, admittedly, but it'll be something very, very similar to this. Okay, that you might see within a computer. And then you've got your solid state drive. Okay, we just got the SSD connection, SATA connections on the end there for you, and you obviously have your hard drive as well, which will look a little bit like that. Okay, so bear that in mind, guys. Thank you very much, and hope that's very helpful for you.